Hello and welcome to the Slingshot Channel. I'm here at FX Airguns for a visit. I've been here 2 years before, but they have done some interesting new things, I can tell you. Specifically, I want to present to you the Impact, which I think is the coolest airgun I've ever seen. It's probably the coolest one in the world. Let me show you its features. So first of all, you have to say that this gun is completely adjustable. So everything can be adjusted. It comes in 4 different calibers, and it has a super easy way to exchange the barrels. And it also comes with 2 different silencing systems. So this one comes with the full-size silencer, so it's super silent. And even this one can be adjusted in length, because you could take out segments from this here to make it shorter. Of course, the shorter it is, the louder the gun will be, but they're all very silent. But of course, most amazing is the extendable silencer, and I show this to you on another gun. This is the silver model. I think they come in either black or silver. And this one has the extendable silencer. So this is fully silenced, but a little bit longer. And this is less silenced, but super short. Isn't that a sexy gun? Come on. It is very easy to exchange the barrels. You just untighten that screw, remove the barrel, put in the new one, and then you're done. What I love on this gun is that it is really an expert's air rifle, because everything on this thing is adjustable. I've never seen an air gun that is that flexible. So you can squeeze every little bit of accuracy and power out of it if you want to. So let me show you all the adjustments. This is the regulator, and actually you can change this with an Allen key, and then actually you can see the pressure that you adjusted it to. And depending on the caliber that you're shooting, 177, 22, 25 or 30 caliber, you would want a different pressure here to really make it as accurate as possible. This is the valve power adjuster, where you can tune it down or up to also get the optimum power setting for that session that you're shooting in. With this one you can adjust the power of the hammer spring, which is a very important part of an air gun, because the hammer will hit the valve, and the harder it hits it, the more violent will the air come out. So here you can tune it in a lot of different settings. You know, you can go for max if you really want to do some serious shooting, but for some indoor shooting maybe you want to go for min, so that you don't waste so much air and it's also less loud. This bottle is super cool because it's like a hybrid one. It has an aluminum core and it has a carbon fiber part on the outside, and this will withstand a crazy amount of pressure, much higher than this will ever be filled up to. And it's also super cool looking. What I also love is that you have this handle here with the finger molds. At first I wondered what that is for, but then they say that's how you can carry it. And that's ingenious. And I guess you could even fire it like that, although the gun is too good to be shot from the hip. Also, this thing is Picatinny rail, Picatinny rail, Picatinny rail, Picatinny rail. And that's really good because you can easily attach a quality bipod to this here. And of course you can attach, where legal, a laser, a flashlight, and of course a good scope. And now comes the best part, we're shooting with it. Charging the rifle is very easy. You have 3 ways. You can use the hand pump, but that is an ingenious piece of equipment, but also you can use a compressor, but also of course you could just get a bottle and then you plug this in like this, make sure that it fits, then you open the bottle and you're done with that. So here is the magazine. That's a 25 version, and to load it you first push back the cocking mechanism, and then you push in the magazine and it clicks in place, and we are in business. So if you want to shoot, you simply lift up the gun, you close the system and you fire, and if you want to shoot again you can do this very quickly. It's a lot of fun and it's so silent. Amazing. You can really only hear it hitting the target while the shot is completely silenced. This definitely is the coolest air gun I've ever seen. It is available in different versions because of national law. The open version, the strongest version in the 30 caliber, will have about 83 foot-pounds of energy. That's like over 110 joules. So it is very powerful. But it's not the power that defines it, it's how accurate it is. And this really is like on 50 meters you can shoot an eye of a fly out. It's that accurate, it's really impressive. So this is one of the systems when they make it with a CNC machine. And this is the raw materials. Can you imagine? They start with this and then this one comes out. It's a fascinating procedure, and actually this is so optimized. It looks massive, and it is, but there's so many, you know, holes in this now because of all the parts that it weighs almost nothing. It's really amazing. Many of them here. These are some of the stainless parts that they're using. To me, that's a piece of art and precision. I know these rifles are in high demand, so the waiting time currently is like 6 months or so. But this video proves that they're working hard to catch up with the orders. So I hope you like this rifle and this video as much as I love this. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks and bye-bye.